Alright, welcome back to Sync Collections. Gonna do a little something differently here. I've never opened these before. We have 2017 Panini Rewards for baseball only. Got 2 packs of them. I'm gonna open them up, whatever's in them is immediately going straight onto eBay. Apparently these are supposed to be really short print cards, potential autographs. So let's see what's going on here. I think there's like 3 or 4 cards to a pack. So we have Michael Fulmer. It's a nice looking card. It doesn't look like it's numbered or anything like that. Evan Longoria. And rated rookie Alex Bregman for the Astros. Interesting. This pack feels a little thicker. Hopefully I'm right. Alright, we have Andrew Miller. Cleveland Indians. Datsby Swanson. Rookie card. Looks pretty nice. For the Atlanta Braves. And Dexter Fowler, Diamond Kings. For the St. Louis Cardinals. Alright. Not bad looking cards. Just wish they were numbered. Alright, and that is it. So I'll go ahead and put some of those up on eBay. And in the meantime, these are stuff you can find on eBay in front of me as well here. So look me up, Sync Collections. And be back shortly with something else for you.